Hello and welcome to TargetOne channel. In this session, we will discuss about project management process groups. Leading projects requires not only leadership skills but also a methodological and responsive set of core processes and abilities. While every projects are unique in nature, mastering a standard set of industry-wide processes can leverage more effective project management strategies and can increase professional advancement. Hence, we are going to discuss about project management process groups. So talking about today's agenda, we will start by understanding what is a process, followed by what are project management process groups. Then we will take a look at each process groups in form of a table diagram. So what is a process? A process is a set of activities that interact to achieve a result. A process needs an input and there is always an output. The output from one process may become an input to another process. In project management, there are 49 processes which are grouped into 5 process groups such as initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closing phase. Project lifecycle can change from project to project, but project management process remains the same. Now let's try to understand how the 49 processes of project management are segregated across the process groups. So as you can see, in initiation phase, we develop a project charter and we identify stakeholders. Initiation phase triggers the planning process group. After preparing the required documents and steps for initiating the project, the next process groups begins. Planning phase triggers the execution process groups. The project must have a proper planning in order to start the execution phase. So as you can see in the table, there are around 24 processes to follow under planning phase, such as develop project management plan, plan scope management, collect requirements, define scope, create work down structure, plan schedule management, define activities, sequence activities, estimate activity duration, develop a schedule, plan cost management, estimate cost, determine budget, plan quality management, plan resource management, estimate activity resource, plan communication management, plan risk management, identify risk, perform quantitative and qualitative risk management, plan risk responses, plan procurement management, and plan stakeholder management. Right? The next phase is the execution phase, under which we direct and manage project work, manage project knowledge, manage quality, acquire resources, develop team, manage communication, implement risk response, conduct requirements, manage stakeholder engagement. Execution is a phase where most of the project work is delivered, right? The next phase is monitoring and control, under which you have the listed processes such as monitoring and control project work, perform integrated change control, validate scope, control scope, schedule, cost, quality and resources, monitor communication, monitor risks, control procurements, and monitor stakeholder engagement. Right? And finally you have the closing process phase, wherein you just have one process to follow, that is closing project or the phase. Closing helps to close the project after all objectives are met. This brings ends to our session about project management process groups. If you have any questions, please drop in the comment section, and until next time, please take care.